Daily tips for healthy eating. Practical advice for your routine.
Start your day with a balanced breakfast to fuel your body and mind effectively. Plan your meals ahead to ensure a nutritious balance and avoid unhealthy last-minute choices. Opt for healthy snacks like fruits and nuts to keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. It aids digestion and boosts overall health.
Learn to read food labels. Understanding ingredients helps make informed, healthier choices. Incorporate these tips today for a healthier lifestyle.